Hello everybody, how are you? Leke, Mifon. Today we are going to look at some Ewe letters. Ewe has 30 letters, um, but we are going to look at some letters that the English language doesn't have. Those that are really Ewe alphabet. Ewe letters. So there are two. Ever is a tonal language actually. For all the vowels, depending on what you're going to say, sometimes there are accents on the vowels. But we are not going to look at that today. We are just going to look at two which are not two vowels which are not part of the English language. So let's look at this. This is e. So the example is elbon, elbon. And the second is o, o. So the example is bo, 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 bo. Bobo is cooked beans, cooked beans. The first one I did not translate it. That means elbona is he is coming. Elbona, he is coming. So the here is he, and then the bobo is cooked beans. So those are the additional vowels that we have in Ewe language, where we have other ones. The tonal, but we are not going to look at that today. So we have also some consonants, some letters that we don't have in English language. So let's look at them. So this is D. D. So the example is nu da da, nu da da. So nu da da means cooking, cooking. So the second one looks like F, but there is a tail under. And the first one looks like D, but there's a tail under. So yes, just want to remind you that. So this F with tail is you have to bring your lips together inside your mouth, then you blow it out. F, f. So the example is nu po po, nu po po, which means speaking. Nu po po, speaking. Then the third one is y, y, and the example is gleti, gleti, which is moon, or it can be moon, it can also be month. So it depends on because in every language we have the same word for month and for the moon. Okay, then this one is, it looks like N actually with a tail under. Yeah, it's an N with a tail under because the sound actually is like N, but with a stronger accent. So the how do we say it? It's ng, ng. Instead of n, it's ng. So the example is nu nglo nglo, nu nglo nglo. So which is writing, writing, like the fact of writing. So it's writing, writing. So that is ng. And the last one is v. V is a V actually, with the tail is inside the V. So it's actually a V. It's like a V sound but stronger accents with the lips. So you have to bring the two lips together. Then you blow it. So the example, the Ewe language, in how do you call Ewe even if I say Ewe, we write it with W, but it has to be written with this Ewe. Like in Ewe we say verb, so it goes with this verb. Okay. The example I have there is nous vingt, which is jealousy. Nous vingt. And then other people say, instead of saying nous in the beginning, people actually use the n. They can also say nous vavons. Some people say nous vavons. Some people say nous vavons. So that's why I put the two examples. So let's take it again. This is de, p, y, o, v. Okay. Then we have some letter combinations in Ewe. Yeah, which they are also a bit difficult to pronounce, but don't worry, it's not difficult actually. You just have to be, if you are used to the sound, it will be easy. If you've never heard it before, it will sound like difficult. Yes. So those are the DZ. I said letter combination. So there are two. Each one is two. Is made of two letters. So DZ is J. J. So yes, J. The example I wrote is G do do. G do do, which is victory. Victory. So victory is in Ewe is G do do. My sign name is Sedro. So you can hear the sound J the inside, which is Sedro dro. Some people actually the Francophone countries, they write it like this. It's also accepted. It's also accepted. Okay. The second one is the GB is B. B. It sounds like B but very strong. It's B. B is with the, if you say B in ever B, it's with the lips. But this one goes like this. B is inside the mouth. B. So the example is ba is today. Ba today. Then this one, the third one is b. B. It also sound like P but very strong. So it's b. So the example is akpono or akpono. That is bread, or depends on if I say akpono in like in the among the Anglos, it's akpono is biscuits. But if I say akpono in Togo or among the Mina people, it's bread, akpono. Yeah. So that's as I said, I've got to put accents if I'm saying akpono or akpono. So those are the tones because Ewe is a tonal language. So this one is ny, ny. So the example is nyatefe. Nyatefe. Nyatefe means the truth or truth, depending on your pronunciation. So telling something which is true, so truth or truth. Okay, and the last one is ch, ch, and the example is chi, chi, which is water. Yeah. So let's take them again. So j, j, b, 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 ny, ny, ch, ch. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Yo miagadogo. Bye bye.